What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. My name is Andrew Noble and you are watching Hot Wheels Dad. Today's episode, I wanted to show you something that I've been needing to do for a couple of weeks now. If you're watching the last few episodes, you saw that I took the truck off-roading and went on a little off-road adventure in the mud. I'm gonna pop the hood and show you guys what I'm gonna do, but first I'm gonna show you I'm going to be replacing the air filter. Now, if you go to a dealership, this will run you about $60 to $75 to replace, but I want to show you guys this just because you can do it at home and save you guys some money. So typically an air filter costs about like $15 to $20 for a standard air filter, but I opted for this K&N air filter, which gives about 50% more airflow. That in turn, you guys, turns into more horsepower and better fuel economy. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. It's not gonna be that difficult of a job, so you guys can do it at home. It's not super hard. It should be just a few clips, open the air box and install the filter. But again, I wanted to show you guys this to save you guys some money. So let's pop the hood and show you what we're working with. So because I took my truck off-road and went through the mud, took it into the puddles and got a little bit dirty, got a lot dirty, you can see that the air filter needs to be replaced. So basically this little inlet right here goes straight into the air box here, and then you can see that some mud actually got to it. Definitely, if you go through mud like I did, you definitely are gonna want to replace your air filter. Now, typically the service is recommended at about 30,000 miles anyway. If you go to the dealership, they will tell you that it needs to be replaced as a standard maintenance thing. But again, you can go to your local auto parts store, you can pick one up for like $15 or $20 and you can do it yourself. So I'm gonna show you how to get into this air box here. First, it should be just a couple of clips that are holding it on. So it should be just these two clips here, popping them off. And then I should be able just to pop open this air box. And there it is. You guys, literally, that was just 2 seconds of popping those two clips off and then access to the air box. I thought this video was gonna be short, but I didn't know it was gonna be that short. So we should just be able to pop this out. And I actually haven't even opened the K&N air filter yet, but check this out. So you can see how dirty it is in there. I'll actually clean in there before I install the new one. I should do a little bit of cleaning in there first. And you can see right here how dirty the stock air filter is. It's not too bad for all of the mudding that I put it through, seeing how dirty this engine is, but it's enough to have to be replaced for sure. All right, so let's open up this box. Should be an exact match to the stock F150 air box. Dang, look at all that dirt that fell out of there when I dropped it on the ground. Shoot. So the cool thing about the K&N filters is it's actually washable. If I do happen to get it dirty like this one, I can take it off and just rewash it and re-oil it. Again, it increases the airflow to your engine, which will, one, be cooler airflow, and then two, will turn into better fuel economy and more horsepower. So according to K&N, it looks like they increase airflow by about 50% and it's washable and reusable. So that's a good thing. So if I do happen to take the truck out and get it as dirty as this right here, I can definitely just rewash that air filter. They are a little bit more expensive than the standard. I think I paid 50 bucks for this, which again saved me more money than actually doing it at the dealer, but it's worth it because it's reusable and you only have to buy it one time, where these will run you about like $15 and you'll have to replace them every like 30,000 miles. So as you can see here, the stock air filter does do a really good job of stopping any dirt from getting up into your engine there. None of that dirt or mud made it in, but you can see that quite a bit of it made it into the air box here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean that out first, make sure it's nice and clean. All right, so now that the old air box is all cleaned out, we can go ahead and just drop this new air filter into the box here, and that should be it. Now they call these drop-in filters for a reason, because they just drop in and replace the stock filter like I mentioned earlier in the video. It is not a full-on cold air intake kit, which actually would replace this whole assembly here, and then you would get like a cone filter right here at the end. So it's not a replacement of the induction system, basically just a drop-in filter for the stock filter. All we should just have to do is drop this guy right in here just like that and make sure it's nice and sealed, and then reinstall the air box. So as you can see, these go into here, into those little holes there, and then you just put those clips back on here. Now, it may differ from vehicle to vehicle, but the process should be all the same as far as the clips. You might have 3 or 4 clips on there, and it might kind of have to slip off a different way, but it should be a quick and easy install and takes less than 5 minutes to do, and you're on your way back on the road. And then K&N gives you a little sticker right here letting everybody know who checks your engine to stop and not to throw away your reusable and washable air filter. If you like this type of content, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. It helps get me out to more and more people so more and more people can see this type of content. Also, check me out on my social pages, Instagram and Facebook, Hot Wheels Dad. Give it a thumbs up too as well over there. If you would also please browse the channel for more fun and exciting content with my vehicles. I do a lot of content with my F-150, and also I take the Audi R8 out on some cruises, some runs. It's always a good time. I do some family fun and adventure on my channel. So I got something for everybody. I really think you would enjoy it. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Hot Wheels Dad. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.